Johnny twerked on the subway.
Yeah.
That is racial profiling. That is an African mating call. That is part of... We've been doing that shit a long time. The prosecutor, Your Honor, he did a dance called twerking on the subway.
Show my asshole to all of you if this was Rumble. Yo, if you message me on Discord, I will send you my picture.
Guys, we got some massive updates on Johnny Somali before his trial date on May 16th. Right now, Johnny Somali is mocking the Korean system and trying very hard to play the victim card. He is saying that South Korea let a German guy who did twerking go without any kind of charges. But when Johnny Somali twerked on the train, the prosecutors and judges brought that up and didn't let him go. They pressed charges on him. So before his trial, he is using very inappropriate words and a very inappropriate point of view against the Korean judges, saying the Korean justice system is not treating him fairly.
Yeah. And he went to the statue and he put signs, demolition, destroy, garbage, all this stuff, and got 100,000 won fine.
Yeah.
So I worked on it they literally told the judge in court, Hank Yoo, Johnny twerked on the subway.
Yeah.
That is racial profiling. That is an African mating call. That is part of... God damn it. I'm gonna tell the judge that's an African mating call. Nigga, that shaking the booty. We've been doing that shit, nigga. We've been doing that shit a long time. They told the judge, the prosecutor, Your Honor, he did a dance called twerking on the subway. I said, bitch.
The judge's gonna probably laugh, dude.
Bro, when they told the judge, nigga was carrying a stinky fish outside. You know what the judge face?
What?
He said, what? Nigga, walking. You understand these Korean niggas eat stinky ass?
Not just that, Johnny Somali has also mentioned that no matter what he does, the Korean legal system pays extra attention and goes beyond when it comes to punishing him. He said whatever he does, it doesn't matter if it's illegal or illegal, the police arrive at that point and start to interrogate him.
I am being gang stalked by the National Intelligence Agency of Korea and the police. You hear the multiple times today. You hear the police multiple times on the radio saying Somali, Johnny Somali. Bro, I am like a fucking Osama to these, bro. Like, I don't understand what you want me to do. Like, that shit is crazy. If I have to get arrested every stream, if I have to go to jail every stream, if I have to fight every stream, if I have to go to the hospital every stream, not worth it. If you guys don't like me, watch somebody else. I literally just showed you outside. I'm very good at interacting with people.
Now his boyfriend Hank Yoo is fired up in anger just because Johnny Somali is facing severe punishment in the upcoming trial on May 16th. So Hank Yoo is using very, very inappropriate language, which I cannot even pronounce.
So if this wasn't YouTube, if this was doing Rumble, I would show you guys my ass. I would spread my cheeks on camera. Like, literally, I would literally spread my cheeks and show my asshole to all of you if this was Rumble. Yo, if you message me on Discord, I will send you my picture. Yo, Discord, guaranteed I'll show you my picture if you want it. If you want it, I am gonna show you my picture.
Talking about,
I will spread my ass
going crazy, bro.
and take a picture from down
for 2 minutes and the nigga going crazy, bro. Someone said, Hank, I messaged you on Discord like you said, homie. My name is Sleazy. Don't niggas manipulate you, Hank, into doing something like that.
I want to show you my. Do you want to see my?
Guys, can you even imagine how low a guy can go and how shameless someone can be to use words like this? And how are platforms like YouTube, Party, or anyone else letting these clowns use their platforms? They are a nuisance to society. As you guys already know, for threatening the victim's streamer named Bong Bong with blackmail, Johnny Somali can face severe punishment, almost 31 years in prison. And now, news is coming out that before Johnny's trial, both Hank and Johnny are trying to threaten the victim to withdraw the charges. Here, Legal Mindset explains Johnny Somali's legal situation for the May 16th trial.
Now, trying to intimidate a victim or a witness is a severe aggravating factor in Korea, which does push the judge towards a harsh punishment. So that is something that is very severe. To now have somebody that is clearly going to be, based on all the factors we have, all the new charges, is clearly going to be a witness, and you are trying to hit her like this, that is really bad, and that is going to make the judge think we need some jail time. And reminder, this is after the lawyer was registered, so it comes off looking like this is something they are doing as a result, right? As a punishment for them getting involved, which is, to be honest, that is textbook witness and victim intimidation. This is textbook trying to pressure somebody, blackmail somebody, hurt somebody so they don't speak up, and they don't speak up about that wrong. So this is something, I think, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely going to have an impact on this, and this needs to get out there. People need to talk about this because this is absolutely wrong, and this is a strategy that Somali and his community have used repeatedly to pressure people into silence and to try to get them to step down. They've tried it with me. Of course, I am the honey badger. I do not give a damn. There ain't nobody or nothing that is going to stop me from reporting on this case and from putting away Somali, Ramsey Khalid Ismail, and his nuisance streamer ilk that have zero respect for the cultures, people, or laws of foreign countries. And that's exactly why he deserves the most severe punishment they can hand down.
In South Korea, if a foreigner threatens or blackmails a Korean citizen to drop criminal charges, it's considered a serious offense. This kind of action is treated as an intimidation, blackmail, or even obstruction of justice. The punishment can include 1 to 10 years in prison, depending on how serious the threat was. There can also be heavy fines ranging from a few million to tens of millions of Korean won. In most case, the foreigner will be deported, banned from entering the country again. On top of that, the original case becomes more serious because the legal system sees it as trying to manipulate justice. So as you guys just saw, Johnny Somali is becoming more dangerous day by day. I don't know if anyone remembers or not, but this guy openly threatened South Korea, saying that if they don't let him go, he will spread HIV.
Korea does not let me out of Korea. I'm telling you right now, it is a danger to the Korean women. I have had so much sex with Korean women while I've been locked here. I don't wear any condom with these Korean women. I don't get any STD tests while I fuck Korean women. I don't get any STD tests when I fuck Korean women. And I make sure to spread whatever I have to all of these Korean women. The police can't stop me. The government can't stop me. These Korean ladies is fiending for black.
Did you see that? Just imagine what he could do next if South Korea doesn't detain him as soon as possible after the May 16th trial. I want to request the South Korean government, please take immediate action against Johnny Somali before it's too late. Otherwise, I see even more dangerous things coming from Johnny Somali towards South Koreans. And not just Johnny Somali, please also hold his biggest supporter, Hank Yoo, accountable. He is also the #1 person behind everything Johnny Somali did in Korea.
I got messages for all my haters. F your mom, f your dad, f your grandparents, f your entire family, f your ancestors, f your country, f everything that you own. So f you. F everything that has amicable disposition towards you. F you, bitch, hoe-ass.
So guys, do you think Korea will arrest Johnny Somali after this trial? Or will he just be dragged through to trials for years and years without getting arrested? And eventually we'll hear that South Korea just deported Johnny Somali? Let me know your valuable thoughts in the comments.